Hello from the fabric, I'm Fabio.
I'm Ryan.
Welcome to Ipoh. In the next hours, we'll take you around the city.
Yeah, it's in Perak, the state called Perak, and this area is known for being quite a good foodie city. And there's also something called white coffee and snow beer, which we're gonna try out later.
Yeah, and of course, night markets.
We're struggling to find some food. There's so many places to eat here, and no idea where to go.
And we want to sit
Yes.
to try the Beggar chicken.
Yeah, you can get Beggar chicken and these curry buns, but there's nowhere to sit. So just gotta raw dog it.
The Beggar chicken.
Okay, now we're walking down all the food streets looking for some food.
I guess it says what?
So I just go really hard.
Medium. Yeah, just fine, just fine. Okay.
The Beggar chicken of Ipoh is a legendary dish with a fascinating history. According to the tale, a starving beggar, having no cooking utensils, covered the chicken in mud and baked it over a fire. When the mud hardened and was cracked open, it revealed tender, flavorful meat. Today, this dish is a delicacy in Ipoh. The chicken is marinated with spices, wrapped in aluminum and slow cooked over a hot coal. This method keeps the meat juicy and gives it a smoky herbal flavor. Quite hot, yeah.
Oh my god, it's real good. So Grammy.
How is it?
Pretty good.
So what did you think of the chicken?
The chicken was interesting because it's in between a roast chicken and a chicken soup, like a chicken with broth.
Okay.
The taste, very salty, very soft, very good.
Yes.
Yeah, we love chicken.
Hey, let's pretend that we haven't just had white coffee and we're gonna go try white coffee.
More white coffee.
For the first time. Okay.
We're trying the white coffee.
This is the famous white coffee of Ipoh. It's made by roasting coffee beans with marginarized. I don't think you can say that. It's made by roasting coffee beans with palm oil that's been turned into margarine. And this one's mixed with evaporated milk and condensed milk, so it's gonna be fucking sweet. Ew, it's actually,
It is sweet.
it's a little bit too sweet, I think.
So apparently the Chinese community, they wanted to make a local twist on the British coffee. That's why they created this white coffee.
Okay. What was the British coffee?
It's coffee.
Oh, it's nice. So sweet.
In Ipoh, you can also try artisanal cookies. We had the chance to taste some, and they were delicious and clearly made with care. For us, though, sweets aren't the highlight of Ipoh's amazing food scene. But if you love desserts, they're definitely worth trying. And of course, with all of this incredible food, a visit to the gym was a must to balance things out and burn off some of those calories.
Make an exasperated face. Ipoh is home to lots of pomelo farms. Pomelo are these massive, it's the biggest citrus fruit I read.
Wow.
And these are some pretty big ass pomelo. I love it, it's my favorite fruit. I used to eat it when I was in China all the time.
I'm trying the pomelo. The lady opened it for us. Are you at home, pomelo?
Yeah, I think just like one clean hand.
You could feed Mariette.
is trying the pomelo.
I guess you have to have a good reaction since we're in front of the store. Is it good?
It's a very good. Swish.
The world's biggest
I think
citrus.
that's the best time I've ever had vanilla.
Really? Yeah, I'm addicted to it. And if you eat too much of the skin, you get like explosive diarrhea. So,
Oh, really?
so just be careful.
The last one. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. The
Yeah.
last one we had was very bitter.
Yeah. It's totally insane. You don't like it? You can give it to me. Oh no, I don't like it either. Actually, I'll take it back. Fuck. It's supposed to be very like it's supposed to be a lot tangier and a little bit sweet, like quite sweet too. But this is bad.
Yeah, I think it's a bit warm, but I mean,
We were
still
only
better
being
than the
nice because
last
we were
one.
standing in front of the store.
Absolutely.
But you can get the best ones are like the pink ones. I don't know if they do it here. We're gonna have to find them. All right, so we're at the famous place of snow beer. It's exactly what it sounds like. It's just really frozen beer. Like this was frozen, this glass was frozen, and now it's just like a big thing of foam. So it's like you're drinking like
So,
yeah, like snow beer. Oh my god, it does like get really icy.
What do you think of Ipoh so far?
I like it. It's a bit like Malacca in that you, at first glance, you're like, okay, this is just like another city. But then once you start finding the little hidden gems, I hate the word hidden gems, so ChatGPT, but once you start finding them, you really start to appreciate the city. So for example, like last time when we went to the Tipsy Bar and we found that kind of speakeasy style bar, yeah, you wouldn't find this if you just stayed a day. So far, I am really liking it, but I think it takes a few days to really appreciate it. You?
Yeah, I think it's an alternative, a good alternative
Mm-hmm.
to KL
Yeah.
because it's like a small neighborhood of KL in a way. I think it has its charm, which comes from its industrial history.
All right, so we are in front of the FMS Derb Bar restaurant. This is the oldest running restaurant in Malaysia, opened in 1906.
And the host is very nice.
Yeah, probably we won't
Just-
eat here though.
Greeted us.
Probably we won't eat here though because it looks kind of expensive and we're not very hungry. But if you come to Ipoh, you know where to go. Serving colonial favorites, right?
Yeah, the colonial favorite was the chicken chop.
Chicken chop.
Yeah,
I guess
and
it's like a pork chop.
and it's called FMS Bar. It's from Federated Malay States.
So we said we weren't gonna go into that FMS restaurant, and then a sweet old lady named Sue came out and reeled us in. And then we ended up just having a coffee, but she explained all the history of the building, and she's just really passionate about this place.
Yeah, it's basically a museum.
If you come to Ipoh, make sure, if you're only here like a day or two, make sure you reserve that place in advance. They are in demand. Thanks to Sue. Thank you, Sue.
Thanks you. Thanks for your guided tour
Yeah, we should
of
have taken a
the
video.
FMS
Yeah,
restaurant.
S&M. Sorry.
Oldest restaurant in Malaysia.
Yes. Okay, this vlog has been heavily about food. But that's what there is to do in this town. So now we go to the night market next door to our place. Ready? Yeah, I think we've eaten a lot, but I'm still hungry. Okay, so we made it to an unsuspecting bar called the Tipsy Bar. You think it's just some kind of like sparsely, warehouse, like a little warehouse or something. And then you just enter through this door and you have a cute vibe. Okay, do it. Drink it.
ooh, ooh. I'm feeling that
this guy is an artist. He just asks you kind of what you want. There's no menu, and he just makes something from his mind. And this one is this extremely not so sweet, spicy margarita. My lips feel like I just got lip filler. It's so spicy.
Mine is delicious, is strong, it has many layers, is sweet, is bitter.
But what's the main ingredient?
The main ingredient is this one, Mr. Black Pepper, right?
Oh, we should have done this actually.
Cheers.
Ipoh has so much more to offer when it comes to food, but of course we couldn't try everything in just a few days. We're already looking forward to returning to Ipoh and Malaysia as a whole to explore even more incredible flavors. What about you? What dishes are you excited to try? If you're familiar with Ipoh cuisine, what would you recommend? To discover more about what to see and do in Ipoh, check out our other vlog. Don't forget to support us by liking, commenting and subscribing, and stay tuned for more videos.
Hey y'all, I'm from Darwin.
You went wrong then. You were doing